REWE uses self-checkout systems in some stores. Self-checkouts offer convenience and faster transaction. Features include touchscreen interfaces and various payment options. Security measures are in place with attendants available for assistance. The systems may display promotions and discounts. Also, you can use REWE self-checkout only if you don't have a big cart of products. So you don't have to wait in line for normal checkout if you don't have a lot of groceries. Wait, it was here. One this,
Okay.
one this, wait. Let me see, we have also. Yeah. Oh yeah, and this one. Okay. And one donut. So here, no here.
This one.
No, it's different. To find it. What is it?
This one.
No, it's kind of different a bit.
Donut.
One donut.
One donut.
Yeah, but it's
with
nuts and chocolate.
This one.
Yes, it's okay.
Oh, okay.
They're all the same price.
Okay.
White. Okay, we did it. Contact us.